Good morning, students. I am Professor Poonam Chaube from SIRT College, Bhopal. So here we will learn about the topic named the computer networking. What is the topic? Topic is topology. So here we can see in the first slide, there is a simple definition of network topology. Okay, so network topology, what is the topology? The network topology refers to how various nodes and devices and connections on your network are physically or logically arranged. Simple, it means what is the connection arrangement in your computer or your physically, it may be physically or logically the arrangement of connections, right? So think of your network as a city. For example, here we can say you can take example of your city and the topology as the road map. You can see, you can describe above of the city. There is so many roads, going to this side or that side. So just as there are many ways to arrange and maintain a city, so such as making sure the avenues can facilitate the passage between the parts of the town. Okay, so they can connect the parts, the different types of parts, areas of your town, such as the lake side and the other side, like the Ayodhya bypass. So this is the basic example you can assume. So there are several ways to arrange the network. So each has advantage and disadvantages. Each of the network you can see in the topology. And depending on the needs of your company, certain arrangements can give you a greater degree of connectivity and security, right? So there are two approaches to network topology. First is the physical and second is the logical. So physical network topology. What is the physical network topology? The physical network topology, as the name suggests, it refers to the physical connection and interconnections between the so many nodes in the network, right? And जैसे कि for example, the wires and the cables and so forth. And the logical network topology is different. Logical network topology is the little more abstract, like and strategic, referring to the conceptual understanding of how and why the network is arranged. This is called the logical. And the way it is how the data moves to the it. It is called the logical topology. In the second part, we can see the different types of network topologies. First is the star topology, right? So the most common network topology is laid out. So every node in the network is directly connected to one central hub via cables or twisted pairs. The cable are different types of cable available, like the twisted pair and the fabric optic and the coaxial cable, right? Acting as a server, this central node manages the data transmission. As information sent from any node, one node to another on the network has to pass to the central one. This is called the star topology. In the diagram, you can see a clear example of this topology. Second is the bus topology. The bus topology orients all the devices on the network along the single cable, running in a single direction. It may be a single direction. In the diagram, you can see here is the cable shown in the figure. Okay, from one end to the network to the another. And why it is used? What? It is the backbone of topology is called the single cable. The data flow on the network also follows the route of the cable moving in one direction, right? In the ring topology, what here can see ring topology is where nodes are arranged in a circular ring. The data can travel through the ring network in another direction or one direction or both directions, with each device having the exactly two neighbors. In this topology, each node has two neighbors side by side, right? In the diagram, we can see the node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. So the direction of flow of data is showing in the arrow, right? Arrow shows the direction of data flowing. Tree topology. The tree topology structure gets its name from how the central node functions as a sort of trunk of network. Like the, however, where each node in the star topology is directly connected to the central hub. But in the tree topology, it has a parent-child hierarchy, to how the nodes are connected. Those connected to the central hub are connected linearly to the other nodes. So two connected nodes only share the one manual connection because the tree topology structure is both extremely flexible and scalable. It's often used for wide area networks to support the many spread out devices like the big offices, etc. So here is the, you can see tree type structure of tree topology. The mesh topology is an intricate and elaborate structure of point-to-point connections, where the nodes are interconnected. Here the nodes are also interconnected with each other. The mesh networks can be full of a partial mesh. Here we can make a partial mesh connection or due to मतलब अपनी सुविधा के अकॉर्डिंग अपन क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें fully connection mesh डिजाइन कर सकते हैं और एक half. So in the mesh topologies are mostly interconnected with the few nodes with only 2 or the 3 connections, right? So while full mesh topologies, the fully interconnected. Hybrid topology. The hybrid topologies combine the two or more different types of topology structures. The tree topology is a good example, and bus and star layouts. The hybrid structures are most commonly found in the larger companies, like we can see in our colleges. Here is the so many types of networks, so many interconnections in the lab and the rooms, right? So larger companies where the individual departments have its personalized network. So topology is adapted to suit their needs and network usage. Hybrid topology, which topology is best for your network? So here in the last of the slide, a question arises that which topology is best for your network or for your use. So no network topology is perfect here, right? Or even inherently better than the other. Different topologies have different pros and cons, right? So determining the right structure of your business will depend on the needs and the size of your size of your network and your usage. So here are the key elements to consider which is useful for the any types of topologies, right? The first is the length of the cable needed, which type and which types of length you want to create in your own business, you want to set up in your own office is the key element of the topology structure. Second is the cable type. Which type of cable you need for your office structure, for your personal use structure is also the mentioned. Third is the cost. That how many cost you want to bear. What is your budget is the important key point of topology setup, networking setup, right? Which type of topology you want to use. And last is the scalability is also the matter of your topology uses, right? Thank you so much, students, and stay tuned and keep learning with the sirt.bhopal.ac.in. Thank you so much.